Want to know how to sign in to Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you are signed up as well. So we have also created a video on how to sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you have signed up, signing in is the similar step as well. So it simply follows a same step. So you can just simply select continue with Google or continue with email. Make sure to choose any one of these two that you had signed up with. So since I had done with continue with Google last time, this simply select continue with Google. And you can just simply choose the account that you had last signed in with or signed up with. And once that is done, your account should open up like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.